Hello, time constant. Here one RC circuit given. Resistance R 1 mega ohm connected in series with 10 volt power supply and 1 microfarad capacitor C. When we closing the switch S at time t equal to 0, the capacitor C start charging through resistor R of 1 mega ohm. We can see in diagram at time t equal to 0, the voltage across capacitor VCT 0, but after time t equal to RC, capacitor reached 6.32 volt or 0.632 multiplied by Vs. So we putting here Vs 10 volt. So we got here 6.32 volt. And this is the maximum value Vs. RC equal to, we putting value of R 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 from here, and value of C 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 6 from here. So we get RC equal to 1 second. The formula for capacitor voltage VCT, the voltage across capacitor C equal to Vs supply connected to RC circuit multiplied by 1 minus e to the power minus t upon RC. Time is the t time required for charging. After solving this equation, when you put t equal to RC, then VCT equal to Vs multiplied by under bracket 1 minus e to the power minus 1. So VCT equal to 0.632 multiplied by Vs. In our example, Vs is equal to 10 volt, so VCT equal to 6.32 volt. The time required to reach 6.32 volt equal to RC equal to 1 second. So we can define the time constant, the time during which VCT voltage across capacitor C rises to 0.632 of Vs 10 volt. Vs is the maximum value of the capacitor VCT. Okay, thank you.